Hello and welcome. We all need some time to relax and to take a little break, and that's why I wanted to show you today how you could tangle on different material. So I think you have heard about Tangle. This is a meditative drawing method. I show you the flyer, and I have written a lot of books. And these books in German are translated in a lot of languages as well. And I also did some stencils and stems, so some more creative material. But originally it's about tangling. So you could tangle normally on a piece of paper, and you could tangle on a kind of stones, a kind of corals, but it's pretty rough, so be sure that it's not too rough, otherwise your pen will go away in no time. Or you can search, like I did here, around to find some wood that is pretty nice to tangle on that one as well. Or if you're lucky and you have some shells, you can tangle on that one as well. Here it's a pretty uneven, rough surface. I won't do that, but luckily inside this is not shiny, so it would work that I can tangle on that one. So I wanted to show you short that we can tangle on wood, and that you get an idea about the pattern I used here. So what you need is a fine liner. Normally it's from Sakura, Micron 01, and this has a fine tip to use perfect for paper. And if it's almost done, that it's not good to use it anymore on paper, I use it for tangle on this rough material. And here you can see it's a little bit more. If I need it, I could take that one. So first, but I take the old one. So I use the Tangle Zander, sorry. It's spelled Z-A-N-D-E-R. So you can check it, and you will find the step out as well. And I tangle with you that you can have a look. And I do it a little bigger. So I do a kind of upside down C, and I put a second one next to it. And this is really a rough piece of wood. Luckily I have the second, and I try that one. I guess it's easier, yep, because you should see something as well. So, and then you leave some space, and you do another double layer of this upside down C's, and I have more space, so I go over here and do it again. And then I turn it around. I search for the middle, and I start with a line. I really search the point where the other line is going. So, and then in the middle I do 2 points. I show as in a little close-up. And then I do it again, so that you have your middle section. And then you do just a little bit curved lines to one side, because this is a nice thing about Tangle. These are repetitive strokes, so just easy to do, and your brain knows, oh yeah, I know what to do, and can relax. And that's a wonderful way to get a kind of mindfulness, and for you in a kind of flow, so that you have no thoughts about everything around you, and you have time to recover. So I just repeat those lines, and you see these are now the close one. I can show now at 2 or 3 I do with this dot line, because this is called sparkle. It looks like a shiny. And then I just do the closed line. So I turn it around to make it easy for my hand and brain to repeat these strokes toward the other side, and also a little curvy towards outside, that you have a nice bold ball of yarn or whatever, because Tangle is always fiction. That's why they have names you normally can't combine and picture with, so that your brain can really relax and just do nice one stroke at a time. So when I have this middle section, I love to do a kind of fescue outside. This is another pattern. just to have a nice ending for these lines. And I do it, repeat it, turn around as you have seen, and then I do it at the other side as well. So, oops, there we go. And you see sometimes it's rough, but you know, this is organic. This everything is hand drawn, and you see how easy it is and how nice looking. So this is your first tangle, or with the second combined, it's Zander in the middle. So, and then I take Fun Bee. I guess I took for this one in English as well already a Step Out Online. Otherwise I will guess that I will do it later on. So, and this is in the fun, it's really a fun one. It's a design I did. So, and I do it in slow motion. You go with the curved line up, go to the right side or the left side, and a big round black ball, and to the other side. And then you just do a half circle from outside to outside and curvy lines toward this middle point. Just curvy lines, and when you're in the middle you have almost a straight line, or you go exactly immediately to the other side, that you have the curvy line to this side. So, and I always like to have a number like 1, 3, 5 or 7 or 9, so that's why I will do the third one, and there is no space left, but it doesn't matter. So I just begin with this line, and I think how it will work on, and where it comes out I will go back to do my lines. So this is this little one, and please always think about that you sign your masterpiece. And at the other side I normally say what it is, then Tangle. I put my name and when I did it, and sometimes where, but it's fine. At least you know where you did it. So I hope you like it and enjoy, and please relax with this maybe wonderful little creative time. Okay, bye.